I know that you want to suck this dick more than I want you to suck it. Don't forget that, fellas. Don't give up. You're gonna get your dick sucked tonight. Don't give up. He said we're going downtown. We ain't talking about downtown Detroit, bro. Yo, old school short dog in the house. I say we keep rolling it back. Y'all wanna go back further? Let's just keep it old school for a while. We're gonna start from the beginning. From the first time I met Detroit back in 1988. Yeah. Can I ask you a question? What was you doing in 1988? In 1988, I was driving a drop-top Cadillac. I had a big-ass gold rope chain on. I was talking on my cell phone, smoking weed, getting my dick sucked on the Bay Bridge, saying, these are the tales, the freaky tales. These are the tales that I tell so well. These are the tales, the freaky tales. These are the tales. I met this girl. Her name was Joan. She loved the way I rocked on the microphone. When I met Joan, I took her home and she was just like a donkey all on my bone. I met another girl. Her name was Ann. All she wanted was to freak with a man. When I met Ann, I shook her hand. We ended up fucking by a garbage can. The next young freak I met was Red. Took her to my house and she gave me head. She likes the fuck, is all she said. So we jumped in the sheets and we broke my bed. There's another girl, her name is Mary. If you talk about sex, the bitch acts scary. I heard she was freaking from my homeboy Jerry. Took her to my house and I popped that cherry. Young and tender, sweet Denise. You get her in the bed and the girl's a beast. I take her home, boy, if you get a piece. She'll only start talking about signing the lease. Cause these are the tales, the freaky tales. These are the tales that I tell so well. These are the tales, the freaky tales. These are the tales that I tell so well. Another oldie but goodie. Man, what's up with these hoes? On the phone, I said I'll be there in a minute. Cause all the faces she be making when I'm in it, it make a player feel like he's doing something. The pussy so good, hey, you're doing money, but you ain't knowing she's a tramp and a slut. All that shit, every chance you get, you trying to call that bitch, but quite a few players got the pussy. And every time I see her, I gotta stop and look, and she's so damn fine. Bitch, I wanna make you mine. I wanna fuck one time. Show dogs on your mind. I ain't that like your boyfriend you fuck with, you stuck with. I love the way you suck dick and make me bust this. It's hard to hold back when it's this good. You said she wouldn't? Cause I'm a veteran. I pushed him in the game so fast with this pimpin'. Bitch, you know you ain't gon' last. I gotta get it and let her know I'm pimpin' really. Unless I'm getting paid, this shit is temporary. Exchanging fuck faces, making hella noise. I go and tell my boys, and it's like that. And all my real Michigan players know how we do this shit. Sing it.
You must be used to all the finer things.
Keep it going, man. Keep it going. Okay. Now check this out. When I say life is, I want y'all to say too short. Life is too short. Life is. y'all, check this out. I made this song in 1989. Life is too short. 89. I want to see who remember the words of this shit. Y'all ready? 1989. Come on, Detroit. Let's go. Now I remember how it all began. I used to sing dirty raps to my East Side fans back then. I knew you couldn't stop this rap. No MC could rock like that. Then the new style came, the bass got deeper. You gave up the mic and bought you a beeper. Do you wanna rap or sell coke? Brothers like you ain't never broke. Now people wanna say it's just my time, but niggas like me had to work for mine. 30 years on the mic and I'm not joking. Sir, too short. Yeah. Now it's time we take roll call. I need to know, do we have any real players out here today? Where the real players at? Where you at? Yeah. If you's a real motherfucking player, somebody say hell yeah. You see, I made up my mind when I was 17. I ain't with no marriage or a wet ring. I'll be a player for life. So where's my wife? She probably at the rehab, stuck on the pipe, cause she must be smoking, and I'm not joking. Too short, baby, coming straight. I got way more bitches than I ever need. I put that on a big fat bag of weed, cause I give you a bitch, wouldn't give you a joint. You know it ain't shit, so now I made my point, so you can smoke your weed while I spit my rap. I tell you about a player from way back. Now I was only 14 when I first got my dick sucked. Now I'm grown up and I really like to bust nuts. I get freaky in the right situations. You wanna rap? Well, that's a nice occupation. To get pussy when you want, how you want it, fool? I was fucking ugly hoes back in high school. Used to fuck some young ass hoes. Used to be broke and didn't have no clothes. But guess what? Now I fuck top-notch bitches. I tell a story about rags and riches, about a pimp named Shorty from the Oakland set. I've been macking for years and ain't fell off yet. So if you ever see me riding in my drop-top caddy, throw a peace sign and say, you know I never would have front on my folks. I slow down and let these gold niggas count my spokes. You know they come a dime a dozen, so don't get mad when I fuck your cousin. Your two sisters, I even fuck your ex-bitch. Show dog in the house with some player shit. Where the real players at? If you a real player, tell somebody right now. Only the real players, sing it. And we're gonna do it too short style. Check this out. Somebody say bitch. Say bitch. Say bitch, bitch. Say bitch, bitch, bitch. Somebody scream. I said scream. Show dog in Michigan. I'm straight lacking, bitch. Yo. I need to know where the hell is she at. I'm trying to find this one. Are you right there? You know what I'm looking for, right? No, I'm looking for, literally, I don't give a fuck if she's at the top. If you see her, point at her right now. I'm trying to locate the best dick-sucking female in this crowd. Who got the best skills? I know you know. If it's true, it's true. Shit. Yo. Right about now, in the place to be. Too short, baby. Getting real funky with the motherfucking dangerous crew, bitch.